Hi guys! If you're planning to upgrade your entertainment setup and want a TV stand that looks premium while offering practical storage, then you're going to love what we're looking at today. This is the sliding barn door TV stand in the gorgeous Sawcut Espresso finish. And it's one of those furniture pieces that instantly makes a living room feel more organized, elegant, and inviting. A TV stand may seem like a simple piece of furniture, but it plays a much bigger role than most people realize. Tease the centerpiece of your entertainment area, supporting your television while also providing storage for all the devices and accessories you use every day. Choosing the right one can completely change the appearance of your living room. And this model does an impressive job of balancing style with functionality. The first thing you'll notice is the beautiful wood-inspired finish. The Sawcut Espresso color creates a warm and sophisticated appearance that feels both modern and timeless. It has enough texture to give it a natural wood look while remaining refined enough to complement contemporary interiors. Whether your home features farmhouse decor, rustic accents, industrial furniture, or a more modern design, this entertainment center blends in effortlessly. One of the standout features is definitely the sliding barn doors. Instead of traditional cabinet doors that swing outward, these doors slide smoothly across the front of the unit. This not only creates a unique visual appeal, but also makes accessing your storage compartments incredibly convenient. You can easily hide gaming accessories, media collections, remote controls, or streaming devices while keeping your living room looking clean and clutter-free. Storage capacity is another area where this TV stand performs extremely well. It offers multiple shelves and enclosed compartments, allowing you to organize your entertainment equipment exactly the way you prefer. Gaming consoles, Wi-Fi routers, Blu-ray players, soundbars, books, decorative pieces, and family photos can all find their own dedicated space. Everything stays organized without making the room feel crowded. One problem that almost every entertainment setup faces is cable clutter. Loose HDMI cables, power cords, speaker wires, and charging cables often create a messy appearance behind the television. Fortunately, this TV stand includes cable management openings that allow wires to pass neatly through the back of the cabinet. It's a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in creating a cleaner and more professional-looking entertainment center. Durability is equally important because furniture is a long-term investment. This entertainment center is designed with sturdy construction that provides dependable support for today's larger flat-screen televisions. Once fully assembled, the cabinet feels stable and secure, giving you confidence that your television and electronics are properly supported for years to come. Another feature worth mentioning is its incredible versatility. Many TV stands are designed for only one decorating style, but this model adapts to many different home interiors. Whether you're furnishing an apartment, updating your family room, creating a home theater, or redesigning your living room from scratch, the Sawcut Espresso finish works beautifully alongside a wide variety of furniture colors and decorative styles. Assembly is also designed to be straightforward. Every panel and hardware component is clearly labeled, and the included instructions walk you through each step in an organized manner. While any furniture assembly requires a little patience, most people should have no major issues putting everything together. What really makes this TV stand enjoyable is how practical it becomes during everyday use. After everything is assembled and organized, you'll quickly appreciate having dedicated storage for every device and accessory. Instead of searching for remotes, untangling cables, or dealing with visible clutter, everything stays neatly arranged inside the cabinet. The top surface provides plenty of room for your television, while still leaving enough space for decorative accents if desired. You can display small plants, framed photographs, candles, or other decorative items without making the setup feel overcrowded. This allows your entertainment center to become part of your overall interior design rather than simply functioning as furniture. For families, the additional storage is especially valuable. Board games, movies, children's gaming accessories, extra controllers, headphones, and countless other household items can all be stored neatly inside the cabinet. This helps maintain a cleaner living room while keeping frequently used items within easy reach. If you're someone who enjoys movie nights, gaming sessions, sports events, or binge-watching your favorite streaming shows, Having an organized entertainment center genuinely improves the experience. Everything looks cleaner, operates more efficiently, and creates a more enjoyable environment for everyone in the room. Overall, the sliding barn door TV stand in Sawcut Espresso successfully combines attractive design, practical storage, durable construction, thoughtful cable management, and everyday convenience into one complete furniture solution. It's an excellent choice for homeowners looking to upgrade their entertainment area without sacrificing style or functionality. So if you're interested in buying the sliding barn door TV stand in the Sawcut Espresso finish, be sure to visit the product link provided in the description below to check the latest pricing, product availability, and customer feedback. If you found this review useful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss future videos featuring home furniture, entertainment accessories, and products designed to improve your living space. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.